Hey, so we have our hair done. I got a quick weave and this is what she is looking like. My hair is straightened, but the hair that I have in is from UNice, and this is the water wave hair, but of course it's straightened. You guys know I love to get my curly hair straight, but I'm actually about to wash it so I can wear it in its natural state, and I figured I would show you guys what that looks like. I did get a quick weave, so I will show you. I think I have a few clips of me actually getting my hair installed. So yeah, this is what we're looking like as of now. This is the natural color of the hair. I was gonna dye it black, but my hair isn't necessarily black. It's kind of fading, and I feel like the bundles are dark enough to match my hair, as you can see. But we're about to wash this hair because we want it to wave back up. And I already showed you guys what the hair looks like right out the packaging. I have in almost 4 bundles of the water wave texture, and they're all in 26 inches. So honestly, I think I'm going to cut some layers in the hair before I actually wash it. So we're just like cutting all the way down. So this is the hair we got rid of, because we want some layers. And the layers are subtle. So I don't know if you can tell the difference, but there is a difference. I could even go in just a little more. Just so that front layer can like, okay. That's cool. I definitely, okay. It's so like nice and full. It looks so dark, and it's not even that dark. But I'm gonna wash the hair and then I'll be right back so I can show you guys what it looks like curly. All washed. This is the curl pattern. Really cute. So what I'm gonna do is speed up the blow dry process. I'm gonna blow it a little bit and then I'm gonna let it air dry a little bit. I'm just gonna do a little bit of both. But I didn't get all the way up here wet because I'm going to crimp the top anyway, so I feel like it'll be like less bulky if like this isn't all wet, and easier to dry also. let the hair air dry the rest because, like I said, I don't want it to be frizzy. And as you can see, it can definitely get frizzy with like the friction and the air blowing the hair in all different directions, because I don't have a diffuser, which I probably should get. But yeah, so as you can see, it's already getting like bigger compared to what I just showed y'all, but the hair is gorgeous. I really could crimp this right now because the top isn't wet. Let's see. I should have separated this already. So here's my little crimper. So since this hair is water wave, I think it's cute, but I probably should have crimped this with some of my hair. Okay, so like so. You see how it just kind of looks like it just goes into each other? Perfect. That's what we're looking for. Cute. Perfect. Ooh. So yeah. Cute, cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna be back when this hair dries. It's been a little longer. As you can see, the hair is a little bigger, so it's about 90% dry, and it's much bigger. So this is what the hair looks like. Okay. I love this. All right. Leave out. I'm gonna use a little hairspray for the flyaways. I'm just gonna brush it in because I don't want it to be like hard. All right. So this is the hair we're gonna add. This is like my favorite hair serum. The It's a 10 Miracle Styling Serum. I love this stuff. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I'll be sure to list all of UNice's hair in the description box for you guys, as well as a link to these bundles. Again, I have the water wave, I have 26 inches, and I have almost 4 bundles in my head, so like 3.5 bundles installed. And yeah, this is it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.